Hello and welcome back to our Healthy Life channel, where we explore natural and effective ways to improve our health and well-being. Ever wondered what would happen if you took on the challenge of doing 100 squats every day? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of squats and their impact on your body. And trust us, the results might surprise you. Let's kick things off by understanding what squats are all about. Squats are a versatile exercise, and there are many ways to do them. You can squat with your own weight, add some extra with dumbbells or a barbell, or even do a squat jump. The classic squat involves standing with your legs shoulder width apart or slightly wider and squatting until your thighs are parallel to the floor. When you squat, you're not just working your hips and buttocks. You're engaging a whole host of muscles, including the gluteus maximus, minimus, and medius, the quadriceps, the biceps of the thigh, and even your abdominal and spinal muscles. It's like a mini workout for half your body. Now, let's get to the juicy part, the benefits of doing 100 squats every day. 1. Strengthening muscles. As you embark on this squatting journey, the first transformation you'll witness is the significant strengthening of your muscles. Squats are a full body workout, and they engage a multitude of muscles from your lower body to your core. Your legs, being the primary movers in this exercise, will become more robust and defined. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves will develop a new level of strength and definition that you may not have experienced before. But the magic of squats doesn't stop there. Your core, which includes your abs, obliques, and lower back, will also get a serious workout. As you maintain balance and stability during the squat, your core muscles work overtime, leading to a stronger and more defined mid. So, as you progress with your daily squat routine, you'll notice your muscles not just standing out, but becoming powerhouses of strength and endurance. 2. Weight loss. As you continue with your daily squats, you'll start to see a change in your body composition. Squats are a high-intensity exercise, and they burn a significant amount of calories. This, coupled with an accelerated metabolism, will lead to weight loss. As your muscle mass increases, your body's ability to burn calories even at rest improves. This means that squats won't just be your workout buddy, but your weight loss champion. 3. Improved blood circulation. With every squat, you're not just building muscle and burning fat, you're also enhancing your cardiovascular health. Squats increase the tone of your heart muscle and improve blood flow throughout your body. This means that every organ in your body will receive a better supply of oxygen and nutrients, leading to improved overall health. 4. Better posture. As you continue to squat every day, you'll find yourself standing taller and prouder. Squats strengthen your lower back muscles and core, which are crucial for maintaining good posture. As your core becomes stronger, you'll naturally start to stand straighter. This improvement in posture is not just about looking confident, it's also about reducing the risk of back pain and other posture-related issues. 5. Increased endurance. Finally, your endurance levels will skyrocket. Squats are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. This requires a significant amount of effort and energy, which over time improves your stamina and endurance. As you squat every day, you'll find yourself being able to do more reps, lift heavier weights, and even perform better in other physical activities. There are several variations of squats that you can try. The classic squat, the wide stance squat which targets the gluteal muscles, and the squat jump which is great for athletes. Choose the one that suits your fitness level and goals. So, there you have it. Doing 100 squats every day can lead to some pretty impressive changes in your body. From strengthening muscles and losing weight to improving posture and increasing endurance, the humble squat is a powerhouse of benefits. So, why not give it a shot? And remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow fitness enthusiasts. Until next time, keep squatting and stay fit. Thanks for watching Healthy Life.